Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, while I'm on this side, I may as well do the clutch. Just reconnect the cable, and I think that ought to come off. That comes off. That goes through there. And that goes back on. Fit that back on there. And then this hooked in through here. I need to make that go through as far as I can. It's like almost here, but not quite. Okay. Looks a bit dark down there. Maybe I'll get a light. Okay, it's a bit brighter now. I can see. It's just, oh, there you go. Yep. Okay, I think that's okay. So I'll do the starter motor next or the right hand side. I'll let you know.